Hello, welcome to my trading channel. This is a follow-up video from December 9th. December 9th, I posted this video. The huge uptrend Kiwi versus Canadian dollar is over. Upcoming trend reversal. And today I would like to show you this follow-up video. To begin with, we can see the weekly chart here, and we have a massive vertical uptrend, and this is this week, which is in the red territory, and it's very interesting. I will begin to show this whole picture on weekly chart, and then I will show you the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. So I will show you three perspectives why I did the first video December 9th telling you guys that this trend is over. Well, to begin with, on this weekly chart, we can see that the price went into this resistance supply box that I have drawn here already in March this year. If you're interested to see how I draw my supply and demand zones, you can watch my video that I posted August 17th, how to master the demand and supply zones in Forex and stocks. And you can see the price went up into this box here, the supply box. And now we can see a evening pattern formation here, an evening star pattern formation, which contains of 3 candlestick bars, 1, 2, 3. The first, in this case, must be a long bullish green bar like this. The second day or week, in this case, this is the week. It's a massive weekly doji, as you can see here, that went into this supply box. And the third box, or the third bar, the third week here, must be bearish, as you can see here. So those 3 weeks, those 3 bars is a bearish evening star, and it's a very strong reversal pattern. And the rules for this patterns to be an evening star pattern is that the third bar here, in this case, must close at or below 50% of this green body in this area here. But as you can see, at this very moment, it isn't closed yet. That will be New York close on Friday. But you can see the price at this moment is down here, so extremely bearish. So I think this will close somewhere in this region here. So we have a strongly evening star formation on the weekly chart. I have one viewers who have an eye on this 0.92 level up here. But well, that could happen. But first, we must see this price to rotate down very low, perhaps on this level, 0.835, 0.835 level here or here. Then it might rotate up to this level of 0.92. But I don't think that is very much likely, because we have a very high inflation in the G7 countries. In addition, lots of investors fear a recession threat next year from January. And in addition, we have a very serious war in Ukraine. where President Putin never gives up, and that would boost the prices of crude oil. And if the prices of natural gas and crude oils goes up, that will benefit the Canadian currency. So if we will see the crude oil heading up in prices, we could see a rapid drop here for this pair, Kiwi versus Canadian dollar. Let's shift to the daily chart. Here we can see the massive uptrend on the daily chart. And here I have marked horizontal lines regarding this mother bar. This is an inside bar pattern strategy. Inside bar pattern. And here is the inside bar, is a small doji indecision bar. And the third day, the prices went up a little bit, perhaps a stop loss hunting, and then it closed in the red territory. Obviously, big institutions and banks were not happy, so they took the price up here for further stop loss hunting to get liquidity in this area here. And you can see that this gray rectangular box here is what I were talking about on weekly time frame here. And then we had a sideways market for many days, up and down. And yesterday we had a bearish close below this mother bar, below this inside bar pattern. And today we have a further drop, slightly below this 20 EMA here. And let's have a look on 4-hour chart. I will begin to say how I studied it. What was the reason why I, December 9th, in my former video here, told you that this huge uptrend regarding Kiwi versus Canadian dollar is over? Is because I saw here that the prices for the pair losing momentum. Let's begin to show you the analysis like this. I have connected the top here and the pin here, where with the top prices here, and the line goes here. This diagonal line here, I have connected the very tops, 1, 2 here. And then you can see that the prices never touches, well, almost here. So then I have connected the other tops here and here and here 3 times. And also the bottom here I have connected 1, 2, 3. So here you have one channel in this direction, but then you see the other channel here losing its momentum when I connected this with this top and this third top, fourth top. Then the prices tried to go above here for 5th times, but it didn't manage that. And also connected the lows here and here. So you can see that this channel goes in this direction and then this direction. So we're losing its momentum. This analysis, in addition to the daily and the weekly chart that I showed you, that we also went in the price in this very major supply zone on weekly chart. Secondly, um, we can see that you have two closes below this diagonal line here. This is the first closes. I will enhance it for you guys who are watching your smartphones so you can see it clearly here. Here we have the first close below this line. And here we have actually an inside bar here. Then the third pattern went down, it drops. So now we have the second close below this diagonal line here. This is the first one, this is the second one. So I was pretty sure that this was the end of this uptrend. Then it drops, and these horizontal lines you can see here on this 4-hour chart, that's I have drawn from the daily chart here, as I were mentioning before here. You can see. So we had a close here yesterday below this pattern, which is very bearish, below this inside bar strategy on daily chart. And I have just this morning took my profits here because for a couple of weeks ago, I draw my take profit level here from this wicks. So it touched this very elegant. And also beware of this 100 EMA on 4-hour chart, which is also very accurate to take the first profit. This is similar to the 20 EMA from the daily chart. If you look here at 100 EMA 4-hour chart, I shift to the daily chart, and you can see it's here. This is the 20 EMA on daily. So 20 EMA daily is almost the same as 100 EMA on 4-hour chart here. But I preferably recommend you to look at this 100 EMA on 4-hour chart, because this EMA, exponential moving average on 4-hour charts, is more flexible and faster. So it's not lagging like this 20 EMA on daily chart. So I don't have much to say about this. I have been doing this analysis from the weekly chart when we can see massive doji into this level. So this charts on 4-hour charts is a massive doji on weekly time frame, as you can see here. Here. It's a very huge cross. It's very bearish. And you can see here we have a bearish evening star formation of 3 candlestick bars here. Very strong trend reversal. And also, secondly, the price goes below this inside bar strategy on daily chart here. Very bearish sign. And on 4-hour chart, I showed you losing momentum when I've been using these diagonal lines here, channels, to show you losing momentum in the trade. Okay, I hope you like this video. Before I will end this video, I can show you that at this very moment, it's 6:29 in New York AM, and Los Angeles it's 3:29 AM. London, it's 11:29 AM, and I live in Sweden, so it's now in Sweden 1 hour ahead. It's 12:29 in Sweden. So now you know this time for my trading. And I will also want to round up and show you my Facebook page. You can see this page, this URL address. I have attached it in my text in this video. So you can see my profits. Let's see, yesterday, December 20th, my daily trading profit was 6,471 US dollar. You can see it here. This is in Swedish. The date is here, December 20th. And at the bottom, you can see the total sum here on the right hand side. This is the Swedish krona, 66,329 Swedish krona, SEK. You divide that with 10, or you divide that with 10.25, then you will get the US dollar. So you divide this 66,329 SEK with 10.25. So you get the US dollar here, 6,471. And yes, 20, yes. This is December 18th. I got 2,829 US dollar in profit. December 15th, I got 4,347 US dollar in profit. So you can click here and watch it. And here, December 13th, I got 7,473 US dollar in profit here. So here you can see the Swedish sum, 76,595. You divide that with 10 and you get the US dollar. So here's my contact information. My mobile number here. I'm using WhatsApp and Telegram. And this is my mail, assetmanager-andre@outlook.com. So you can contact me because I'm selling trading signals here, monthly subscription prices, bronze, silver, and gold. Let's say the silver subscription here costs 42 US dollar per month. And for that, I will give you a quarterly profit of a minimum 9%, which gives you an annual profit of 41%. So this is minimum. Most often I trade over these numbers in profit. And I hope you contact me because you will not regret it. This is very, very good deal indeed. And if you are skeptical, you can begin with this bronze subscription. It only costs you $29 per month, which gives you annual profit of minimum 26%. Perhaps you know that the annual average profit on the stock market in the States are 15%. If you include the dividends, or 12% annually on average since year 1950. But I give you 26%. So that's 11 or 13% higher than what index produce each year for the last 75 years. So that's a very good deal for this little amount of money. Okay, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to push the subscriber button on your right hand side so I can provide you with more materials like this, which definitely will make you a successful trader and investor. So take care for now, and see you soon.